Let's look at solving quadratic equations with the factor method. When working the factor method, here are a few steps to keep in mind. First, move all terms to the left-hand side of the equals or the equation. Next, factor the resulting polynomial that you will see on the left of the equals. And third, set each factor equal to 0 and solve. The reason we do this is because of the zero property. The zero property says that anything times 0 is equal to 0. That allows us to solve in this manner. Now let's use this example. We see that the polynomial is separated by the equal sign in the middle. So go ahead and move all terms over to the left-hand side. So we get x squared minus 2x minus 35 equals 0. Now you'll notice I have a trinomial. Now you may have a binomial or a different size polynomial, but whatever type polynomial you have, go ahead and factor it by the traditional means that you've been taught already. Now let's go ahead and factor this trinomial. I know that x times x would give me x squared. Now when you think about 35, 1 times 35 equals 35, and 5 times 7 equals 35, except that's a negative 35. Well, since my middle term is also negative, I'm going to make one of these signs negative in my factors. Now, after I locate the factors of negative 35, I need to know which ones of those also add to give me the middle term. If you look closely, I can examine 5 plus negative 7, and that's equal to negative 2, which is precisely my middle term. So those are the proper factors. My factors then will be x with positive 5 and x minus 7. Now you're not completely done. Go ahead and take each factor, set that equal to 0, and solve. Notice that x is equal to negative 5, and over here with the second factor, x is going to be equal to positive 7. Your solution set then has two solutions.